Today we are going to make veg cutlet. We will need potato, carrot, French beans, onion, and coriander leaves. I didn't get beetroot in the market, so I am skipping it. Slice off the potatoes and do the same for carrot. Cut the nipple-like part of the carrot and make X-shaped cut in the middle and then cut into small pieces. Chop the French beans into small pieces. Oh yeah, look at that. Cut the onion into small pieces while crying like a little girl. Yes, you heard that right. Similarly, chop coriander into small parts. After that, make your knife dance on it like you danced in your ex-girlfriend's wedding. Now throw potato, carrot, and soaked green peas in the pot filled with water, like you throw yourself in front of beautiful girls. Cook it for 10-15 minutes. Now open the bread pocket that you stole from poor family living in slum area. Put bread in the mixture jar and grind it until it turns into fine soft crumbs. Pour it in the pot like you pour your feelings in your WhatsApp status. Now add all-purpose flour and corn flour with pinch of salt and little bit of water. Now mix it. Oh yeah, look at that thick slime. It looks just like milk cream. Wait, what were you thinking? Aha, you think I don't know. Now bring on cooked stuff. It's mash time, baby. Mash it. Mash it really good. Oh yeah, mash it. Like you smashed your teddy bear for stealing your chocolate. Now add some oil in cooking pot. Then some mustard seeds and cumin seeds followed by garlic. Curry leaves, onion, and French beans are right behind it, baby. Now cook it until onion turns brown. Then add our mashed stuff. Mix it very well. Add red chili powder and salt. I added Maggi masala because I like it. You don't have to add it. Then add coriander leaves. Hey, are you waiting for emotional damage? I got you, bro, like you got your problems. Now make some shape of your desire. You know what I mean. Then put it into that white slime. Coat it very well, like you coat your curses with good words. Then cover it with breadcrumb totally, like you cover your tears with your happy face. And final step, deep fry the cutlet, bro. Yeah, it's deeper than your ex-girlfriend's love for you. Forget her, bro, you don't deserve her. Get adjusted with your level. Listen to that crispy sound. The crispiness that your boss has in his life, which he got by making you work for it. Now put some tomato ketchup in your plate and have your veg cutlet. I am glad you choose to eat veg. At least someone is not getting killed for you. Taste its heavenly taste, bro. Peace out.